Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a credit card for online payment. First, have your credit card ready, including the 16-digit number, expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code, often called CVV or CVC. Always ensure the website is secure by looking for https:// in the URL and a padlock icon in your browser. This helps protect your financial information during the transaction process. Protecting your information is crucial. Create strong, unique passwords for all your online shopping accounts and consider using a password manager. Activating two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, requiring a second verification step. Regularly review your credit card statements for any unauthorized charges, reporting suspicious activity to your bank immediately to prevent fraud. If your payment is declined, first double-check that the billing address entered matches the one registered with your credit card company. Also, ensure you have sufficient credit available or enough funds if it's a debit card. Sometimes, a temporary hold or a security flag from your bank can cause issues. If problems persist, contact your bank directly for assistance. For enhanced security, consider using a dedicated credit card with a lower credit limit specifically for online shopping. Always avoid making purchases or entering sensitive information when connected to public Wi-Fi networks, as they are often less secure. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. These practices help keep your financial data safe and your online shopping experience smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.